Welcome back, guys, with your host Codes doing a box unveiling of one of these Elite Trainer Chili Ringen. Today we're gonna go start with the Frost. This is brand new, just got this today. These were about $39 each, so not too bad in my opinion, compared to other boxes that I kind of spent hundreds and $50. It kind of explains on what's in the pack in the back. So you'll get some dice, some card holders or sleeves, a little manual telling you how to battle with them, damage points, and some special cards. So if you're new to my videos, just know that I will have an unveiling at some point in time. I'll probably try to do like a mini video or something on these scan cards. These have not been scanned yet, so it's probably going to be like a big video but mini video at the same time, so please stay tuned to that. Ooh, this is very nice. So I believe this pretty much tells us all that's in it and the possibilities, so that is definitely nice. And then obviously there's a nice artwork inside this. So let's get to it. Ooh, I already like how it's set up. So you got your little trainer guide rules right here. You have sleeves, which is actually very useful. I think once I start doing the battle thing, I will do that. And you have the online code, which I will be doing my own box set on that. Little dividers. It's pretty neat. I'm guessing that these are all the energy, damage points, or pods, dice. So I'm guessing these are kind of like hit points.